Hey, it's Vivette from workwithvivette.com, and you're watching this video because you're looking for ways to generate content or you're looking for ideas on how to generate content for your blog. Maybe you are new to blogging and you just don't know what to blog about. Well, stick around because I'm going to share with you three ways in which to get content for your blog, and so you can start to get to writing stuff. Okay, so here's number one: your bookshelf or whatever books that you are reading, okay? Attract people to you based on similar interests, okay? Now, here's an example. Maybe you love, say, gardening, okay? You like to go out there, you get your fingers dirty and you do stuff in the soil, right? Or maybe you were looking for ways to get rid of, say, dandelions, right? Those pesky little things, right? You were looking for ways to get rid of dandelions. You bought a book, you implement the strategies, and it helps you tremendously. Now you're going to go ahead and turn that into content for your blog. And here's an example you want to use, right? Your title could be Five Things I Did to Get Rid of Dandelions, okay? If I'm scrolling the internet and I see that, I am definitely clicking on it because I want to know what you did to get rid of dandelions, all right? So you want to make sure, take five key things or five tips from the book and write it in the form of content in your own words. Maybe the book tell you to, I don't know, to pull up the dandelions. Well, tip number one, how I pulled up the dandelions, right? So whatever it is, take five tips from the book and make sure you put it in the form of content, what you did to get rid of dandelions. Same thing for health and wellness or whatever industry you're in, you can do the same things. Five things I did to get rid of belly fat, right? Five things I did to get more energy, right? And you make sure you put them and then you redirect them to whatever product or whatever website you want to sell, you want to send them to, that you want to promote your stuff, okay? Tip number two, what's trending on social media, Facebook, Twitter. You always see Facebook have that section, they say what's trending, right? So here's an example. Maybe it was, the Oscars were on, right? And somebody just, they won and they make a great acceptance speech, right? It was so inspirational, motivational, right? You want to make sure that you put that in the form of content. Maybe, you're writing some motivation blog content that day. You want to put that speech or make a reference to that speech in in your blog content, right? Now here's what you want to do. Make sure when you're writing, you put a link, or you direct your readers to go check out the video clip on the original source, right? So that's another way to get great content for your blog. You're pulling in traffic because it's already trending. A lot of folks are actually Googling and looking for information on that topic. So you want to make sure that you're right about it because you're going to be pulling traffic to your site as well from what's trending. Okay. Number three, invest, learn, teach. And this is so awesome and so cool. If you bought an affiliate product or course, right? Maybe a marketing system that you're using, you purchase to help you to build your business online, right? Study the course or study the marketing system, okay? And then you're going to do is to, when you study it, you're going to go ahead and teach or share others what you learned and what you implemented about that marketing system. It could be something like this. Five tips. Say, for example, you learned something about Facebook marketing, okay? You bought a course on Facebook marketing or a system you use. Five things I did on Facebook that made me more sales, okay? Or five key things I did on Facebook that made me more sales, right? Something like that, right? But you want to make sure it's a title that somebody is going to be clicking on because you're going to be talking about what you learn, what you implemented, and what you teach, okay? So that's it for now, folks. You know what, go ahead and check out the link below. Just go ahead and check it out because I'm going to share with you more tips and tricks on how to build your business.